there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have an unboxing of the Fall for Toile September 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I'll look at this in a moment. We have Cajun Craze Stampin' Spot this month. So here is a better view of the stamp set. So wishing you the happiest of days, thankful, warm wishes, and thinking of you. And then we have a pair of acorns, pumpkins, fall leaves, and some geese. And I just saw a flock of geese flying this morning. Here are the suggested ways to put them together. These are really pretty. I love this cornstalk one. And our colors this month are Cajun Craze, Crumb Cake, Darling Duckling, Early Espresso, Pecan Pie, Timid Tiger, and Metallic Chocolate Bronze. Ooh, that sounds good enough to eat. We have picture instructions of the suggested ways to put them together. I'll have to take a closer look at this and see if I want to use any of that or just go on my own like I usually do. We have glue dots and mini dimensionals. Some grosgrain ribbon strips. Really pretty color. Here are the envelopes. So we have 9 envelopes, and it's the same scene but different colors. Beautiful fall scene. Okay, card base number 1. So we can cut this in half to get more out of it. Here's that corn scene. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh, and there's even foil on there. These are quite heavy as well. Card base number 2. And again, with it being both front and back of the base, we can cut it in half or cut it up into smaller pieces and get lots more out of this than just 3 cards. Some foiled leaves. I love this chocolate bronze. And there's actually quite a bit of color variation in this. It's not just a dark brown. There's, depending on how the light hits it, you can even see hints of gold and orange in there. Foiled circle labels. So we have the small basic beige one, and then a large white one, and then we have some banners here as well. And then card base number 3 looks like canvas. I like that a lot. It's very subtle. Okay, now we have some more die cuts. This very pretty tree frame. Wish I had more of those than just 3. It's gorgeous. And then we have leaves, a banner. So these are the same. No, they're not. They're different colors. The colors are reversed. And this trio of pumpkins. And a gorgeous fox. Love, 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 love him. One of the suggested versions. I like that a lot. There's another version. And then the last version is like something like this. I must say I really like this one, and I really like this one. I also have the Circle of Seasons add-on dies. And so this leaf here is going to look great. And then we have an acorn to put together as well. Keep an eye out for my alternatives coming soon, and thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.